mission. 100 goblet squats every single day. Every single day. There's no days off. No plays off. So we're gonna go with goblets and we're gonna go with sumo. Now I'm just gonna do 10. One thing you wanna do, you wanna strengthen up your knees, stretching out your knees. Okay, you're gonna go up slow and down slow. I'll put my arms up here so that way I can focus on making sure that I get my form right. Up, down, up, down. Notice I'm not rocking here. Stand up here, up, down, up. How many I got? I don't know. Maybe I have around about 5 or 6 or 7. And you don't want to go ahead and push yourself to pain, through pain. You want to know where the wall is and then come back. Okay, as you see now, I still have breath left in my body. So if I have breath left in my body, I gotta push. How many more I got? 5 more, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got 1 more left. And every single rep that you take, make sure it's like your last rep. I'll be 51 in 9 days. Tell me this, I'm 51 in 9 days. How do I do what I do? C over T equals S. Consistency over time equals success. Let's go ahead and do about 1 or 2 more. 1. I want you to have the most amazing day. Stay blessed, stay safe, stay uplifted. You want to get in this challenge, doing 100 goblet squats a day, because I have these little toothpick legs right here. So I want to make sure that I build a little bit more, but a little bit over time. I'm not trying to go here. Half an inch on the legs in 2024. Let's get it.